Once again, good morning, students.
Good morning,
Okay, good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine. Glad to hear that. I'm also fine here. So, before Mr. Brian show you the material for today, Mr. Brian will show you pictures. We will warming up first. Oke, kita akan pemanasan terlebih dahulu. As usual, now we're looking at the first picture. What we have here? What kind of animal in this picture?
Butterfly.
Okay, we know that this picture is butterfly. So, what kind of species according to this picture? It's called monarch butterfly. Okay. So, how can monarch butterfly defend themselves from predator? Bagaimana monarch butterfly atau kupu-kupu monarch defend from predator atau mempertahankan dirinya terhadap predator? Because monarch butterfly have bad taste atau memiliki rasa yang buruk ketika predator memakannya. That is the reason why monarch butterfly got imitated by other butterfly. Okay. Now we're looking at the next animal. Wow, what do we have here? We have different animal. Anyone knows what kind of animal is this?
Eggbug.
Okay, great. It's called stick bug. Oke, atau serangga kayu ya. Okay, here stick bug, you can find it around area that have tropical forest. Okay. Now, how stick bug defend themselves from predator? Okay, they imitate their surrounding area, such as in the trees. Oke, jadi mereka tuh menirukan batang kayu yang ada di sekitar mereka. Contohnya di pohon gitu ya. And the next animal. What kind of animal is this?
Mantis.
Yes, mantis. So what kind of mantis is this? Okay. It's called deadlift mantis. Or it means belalang daun mati. Okay. You can find it around forests that have, it means tropical forests that have a lot of dead leaf in the floor of the forest.
Looks like a crab.
Yes, it's like a crab, but it's not only for defending themselves from predator. So the camouflage in this animal is also used to catch their prey. Okay, so this animal is carnivore.
Do they eat humans?
No, they don't eat human. And the next animal, what kind of animal is this? Another mantis. So what kind of mantis is this?
Mantis.
Okay, katydid bug, or maybe some of you said leaf mantis. Okay, that is correct also. Okay, in here, katydid bug can imitate their surrounding area when they are near with leaves. Okay, and their camouflage is not only for hiding from predator, but it's also to catch their prey. Jadi untuk menangkap mangsanya juga ya, bukan hanya untuk bersembunyi. So this animal is carnivore. And the next animal, what kind of animal is this?
Chameleon.
Okay, great, chameleon. So how can chameleon defend themselves from predator?
Changing their colors.
Camouflages.
Yes, correct. Changing their color. Okay. Chameleon can change their color according to their surrounding area. When they are in the blue like this, the color will become blue. When the chameleon in the trees, and it will change to green, such as like that. Now, the next animal. Wow, this is the first time I see this animal. What kind of animal is this?
Gecko.
Yes, correct, gecko. Now, what kind of gecko is this?
Scary gecko.
Scary gecko, yes. Some of people said that this animal is called satanic gecko, but in here Mr. Brian already write down leaf-tailed gecko. Oke. Atau ekor daun gecko ya. Gecko ekor daun in Indonesia bahasa. You can find this animal around Madagascar. So now we're looking at the next animal. What kind of animal is this?
Cheetah.
Okay, great.
Or leopard.
Cheetah. Okay, some of you said leopard. So what is the difference between cheetah and leopard?
Leopards is bigger.
Yeah.
Cheetah is slimmer.
Okay, great. So cheetah and leopard have the same characteristic, but leopard is smaller than cheetah, and the leaf when in cheetah is in savanna, then leopard in the forest. So, what is the characteristic from cheetah in this picture? Ada yang tahu
Spot.
karakteristiknya apa?
Spots.
Yes, his skin has spots. Oke, atau bintik-bintik atau bercak-bercak. So, what is the use from spots in his skin?
Camouflaging.
Okay, great. Camouflage in the grass to catch their prey. Okay, great. Untuk bersembunyi di rumput dalam menangkap mangsanya. That is the use from spots in cheetah. And the next animal. What kind of animal is this?
Lionfish.
Okay, great. This fish is called lionfish atau ikan singa. So, how can lionfish defend themselves from predator?
Poisonous spikes.
Okay, any other?
Camouflaging.
Okay, great. Some of you said camouflage. Okay, in here there are two possibilities how they can defend themselves from predator. The first one, because they are poisonous atau beracun, and the second one, they can camouflage with the coral. Okay, you can see here the size and the color from this fish. They had the same color with the coral. Okay, now we'll go to the questions. So, the first question, what animal can camouflage as a leaf?
Dry leaf mantis.
Yes? Okay, great. Mantis, any other?
Crocodile bug.
Yes.
Gecko.
Gecko. Okay, great.
Million. Tick bug.
Yes, bug. Okay, great. That is the
Chameleon.
answer for, yes, chameleon. Now, the second question. What animal can camouflage as a dry leaf atau
Dry.
daun mati?
Left-tailed gecko.
Okay, now we're checking it
That's
at the animal. The first one we have leaf-tailed gecko. And the second one we have dead-leaf mantis.
That.
Okay. And the next we have, oh, just it, yeah, only two animals that can camouflage as a dry leaf.
Stick bug.
Stick bug. Okay. Now, question number 3. What animal can camouflage as a twig?
Stick
Bug bug.
Okay, great. Stick bug atau serangga stick ya, atau kayu ya. Now, what is the meaning of twig in this question?
Stick.
Yes, such as stick ya. So twig here it means ranting, ranting pohon ya, yang kecil ya. Okay. Now, another question. Why do cheetah have spots?
Camouflage.
To hide in the grass. Okay, to camouflage in the grass. Okay, that is the answer. Untuk berkamuflase di rumput dan bersembunyi. Another question. What animal is camouflaged as a coral? Okay, great. The answer is lionfish. Okay. So in here, we know that we will learn about copycat animal. So if you have, or maybe you got the book, you can open your book, your SB, page 20 until 23. Okay, page 20 until 23. Okay, done. Now, so I want to ask you, what is copycat animal?
Some animal that can look like other animals or even like a plant.
Yes, correct. So in here, copycat animal, it means how they can defend themselves from predators. So they pretend that they are other animal. Jadi mereka mempertahankan diri dari makhluk lain atau predator dengan cara menjadi binatang lain. Oke, binatang menyerupai binatang yang tidak suka predator. So that is what is the meaning from copycat. And also here, sebenarnya I already write down the definition from copycat. The way animal protect themselves, they can resemble other animals or even plants. Oke, jadi cara binatang menjaga diri mereka, mereka resemble atau berubah menyerupai binatang lain atau juga bisa tumbuhan. And the next sentence here, to hide themselves when they hunt. Okay, in here it means camouflage is not only to hide, but it's also used to hunt atau berburu. Okay. Okay, such as these three animals here. The first one we have monarchs, butterflies. the taste is very bad, and when predator eat its butterfly, they got sick. So a lot of butterfly imitates this butterfly or monarch's butterfly. And the second animal we have cheetah. Okay, cheetah here can camouflage in the grass because there are spots in the skin. So they use their camouflage to hunt their prey or catch their prey. And the last animal we have here is dry leaf gecko atau gecko tail, ekor daun kering. So this animal, okay, the same such as cheetah beside him. I'm so sorry. Okay, they can camouflage, but they use their camouflage to hunt. Oke ya, untuk berburu juga, such as this cheetah. The magic of camouflage. A lot of animals are camouflaged to hide from predators or sneaks up on their prey. So di sini banyak binatang berkamuflase untuk to hide. What is the meaning to hide?
Bersembunyi.
Yes, correct. Bersembunyi from predators or sneak up on their prey atau mengendap-endap ke mangsanya. Okay, so that is the function from camouflage. Okay, now there are definition from camouflage. To hide or disguise something. So it means untuk bersembunyi atau menyerupai benda lain atau sesuatu. In here, Mr. Brian already write down camouflage category. The first one we have resembling other animals, such as Morgan butterfly, resembling a plant, such as
Stick.
yes, stick bug. Any other?
Dead leaf mantis.
Yes, correct. Dead leaf mantis.
Leaf tail gecko.
Gecko, yes, correct. And the third one here, resembling the surrounding color, such as cheetah, chameleon. Oke, jadi di yang terakhir ini menyerupai warna di sekitarnya, resembling the surrounding color. Oke ya, such as cheetah and chameleon. I'm so sorry, wait a second. Okay. Now, read and match. Now we have a lot of animals in this sentence. So, Mr. Brian wants you to match this animal into these three categories. The first category is resembling other animal atau menyerupai bentuk binatang. So, what kind of animal can resembling other animal? Yes, correct. Monarch butterfly. Great. And the second one, resembling a plant. We have stick bug. Okay, great. Dead leaf mantis. Katydid bug. Okay, great. Any other? Yes, correct. Leaf tail gecko. And the last categories we have is resembling the surrounding color. So what kind of animal can resembling the surrounding color?
Chameleon.
Cheetah.
Lionfish.
Lionfish.
Yes, correct. Chameleon, lionfish, and cheetah. Oh, Mr. Brian belum tulis ini ya untuk lionfish ya. Great. Okay, now you can open your book SB pages 22 and 23. Copical animal text. Okay, now the text one. Who wants to read the first text in this page? Ada yang mau coba baca untuk teks ini? If there isn't, Mr. Brian will choose one of you. Mr. Brian will choose Michelle Daniela. 5D option 21.
Some animals can look like other animals or even like a plant.
Okay.
There's copycat and trying to hide or trick a hungry predator.
Okay.
They can look like another more dangerous animal or like another animal the predator doesn't like to eat.
Okay, thank you, Michelle Daniela, for read the text. Now, Mr. Brian will read it once again. Text one. Some animals can look like other animals or even like a plant. Okay, so it means beberapa binatang dapat menyerupai bentuk binatang lain dan maupun tumbuhan di sekitarnya. These copycats are trying to hide or trick a hungry predators. So in here it means perilaku ini mencoba untuk menyembunyikan diri mereka atau mengelabui dari predator yang lapar. Okay, sorry. They can look like another more dangerous animal or like another animal the predator doesn't like to eat. So in here they can change their size, their body shape, imitates other animals such as another dangerous animal or another animal that predator doesn't like to eat. Jadi berubah menjadi binatang yang tidak disukai predator, such as monarch butterfly. Now, there are white words here. Okay, so we already write down here. It means predator ya. Predators, it means predator in bahasa. It's also the same. So, after Mr. Brian and your friend read the text, what is the text talking about? The text?
Camouflage.
Yes, student?
Copycat animals.
Yes, correct. So, the text is talking about copycat animals. Student, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for answer. Now we will continue in the lesson. Text 2. Oh, Mr. Brian belum sembunyikan ya. Okay, now who wants to read the text 2 here?
Me, Lizzie.
Okay, Lizzie, please read the second text here.
This cheetah's black spots act like a camouflage. This way, the cheetah doesn't get frightened its prey or when it's time to hunt.
Okay, great, Lizzie. Thank you for read the text here. So, from the text, actually, this is a sentence here. There are only one sentence. There are two sentences in this text. This cheetah black spots act as camouflage. Jadi black spot pada cheetah atau bercak-bercak pada kulit cheetah berfungsi sebagai kamuflase. Okay, that's from the first sentence. The second sentence, this way the cheetah doesn't frighten its prey. Jadi ini dia tidak menakuti mangsanya. When it's time to hunt. Atau ketika waktunya berburu. Okay, so what is the text two talking about?
Cheetahs.
Okay, the text two is talking about cheetah. Okay, not rabbit. Okay, great. So here we have around 5 words in the red color. The first word we have is spots. Spots, it means bercak hitam. Okay, and the second one we have camouflage. It means camouflage. And the third one we have frighten atau menakuti. And the next we have prey, mangsa. And the last word in the red color we have hunt. Okay, hunt. Yeah, it means berburu. That's all from the second text. Now we're going to move to the next page, questions. The first question, what is copycats? Okay. Anyone knows what is copycats?
They are animals that can camouflage.
Okay, great. So in here, what is copycat? The answer is the way animals defend themselves from predators. Okay. So in here, animal can camouflage into other animals or maybe even plants. Okay. So that is the answer for question number 1. Great. Now, question number 2. Copycat animals can make animals look like
Other animals.
yes, correct. Others animal. Student, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, the next question. What is the meaning of camouflage? It means berkamuflasi. Students?
Yes, Mr. Brian.
Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes.
Also, I'm so sorry because Mr. Brian got a lot of connection unstable here. Is when always asking. Now the next question: why do leopards have spots?
So they could hide in the grass.
Yes, because they need to hide in the grass. Great. Question number 5. How do leopards hunt?
They hide in the grass so the predator isn't afraid.
Okay, great. So they need to hide in the grass so their prey doesn't frighten to the leopards. Okay, it must be cheetah ya. Mr. Brian salah menulis ya. It must be cheetah. There is a leopard in our material for today. Cheetah. Now we're going to move to the text. Who wants to read the next text in this page? Yes, who? Abriel?
Yes.
Okay, please read the text here.
These butterflies are not the same species, but they resemble each other. The top one tastes bad. The other one copies its shape and colors and tastes bad too.
Okay, great. Thank you for read the text, Avia. So Mr. Brian will read once again. These butterflies are not the same species. Berarti mereka berdua itu dari gambar bawah dan atas itu berbeda spesies. But they resemble each other. Oke, tapi mereka menyerupai satu dengan yang lainnya. The top one tastes bad. Oke, so yang atas rasanya buruk ya. The other one copies its shape and colors. So, bagi yang bagian bawah meniru bentuk tubuh dan warna dari yang atas. It's okay and taste bad too. Bisa berarti belum pernah coba ya, rasanya gimana ya. So, in here, okay, after Mr. Brian read the text, so what is the text talking about? The text is talking
Butterflies.
about butterflies. Okay, great. So, what kind of butterflies is this?
Monarch butterfly.
Okay, great.
Butterflies.
The upper picture here is monarch butterfly. The taste is very bad. So, other butterfly imitates or camouflage into this animal or into this butterfly to hide themselves from predators.
Wow.
Okay, there are how many? There are 3 bold words here. Atau 3 kata bercetak tebal. So in here, Mr. Brian want you to find the translation. And now we're looking at the first word. The first word we have is species. What is the meaning of species here?
Jenis.
Yes, correct. Jenis atau spesies ya. And the second one we have resemble.
Mirip.
Mirip. Okay, great. Mirip atau menyerupai. And the third word we have copies.
Meniru.
Yes. Meniru. Copies. Bukan meminum kopi ya, but meniru. Okay, now we will move to the next text. We have another animal here. So who wants to read the text here? Okay, Mr. Okay, Lizzie lagi yuk. Okay. Okay, Lizzie, please read the text here.
This insect is as green as a leaf. It imitates the characteristics of color and shape of leaves to help it hide from predators.
Okay, great, Lizzie. Thank you for read the text here. So Mr. Brian will read it once again. This insect is as green as a leaf. So it means that serangga ini berwarna hijau sama seperti daun. It imitates the characteristics of color and shape of leaves to have it hide from predator. Jadi warna dan bentuk tubuhnya itu berbentuk daun sehingga membantunya untuk bersembunyi dari predator. That's all from the second text here. So, after Mr. Brian and your friend read the text here, what is the text talking about?
Mantis.
Yes, correct. It's called leaf mantis atau serangga belalang daun. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 both words here. So please translate these both words into bahasa. The first word we have insect. What is the meaning of insects here?
Serangga.
Yes, correct. Serangga. The second word we have imitates.
Meniru.
Imitates, it means meniru. Yes, correct. And the third one we have characteristics. Atau ciri.
Karakteristik.
Yes, characteristics or ciri-ciri. And the next word we have hide.
Bersembunyi.
Bersembunyi. Oke, clear. Yang tidak tahu artinya, you can write down in your book ya. Yang tidak tahu artinya. But you can also download it this PPT in agenda sekolah. Oke. Jadi tapi kalian juga bisa mendownloadnya di agenda sekolah PPT-nya. And the next text we have frog text. Oke, Christopher tadi ya sudah mengacungkan tangan ya. Oke, please Christopher read this text.
This colorful frog has stripes on its skin. The bright colors tell hungry predator that the frog is poisonous.
Okay, thank you for read the text here, Christopher. So Mr. Ray will read it once again. This colorful frog has stripes on its skin. So it means kodoknya, katak ya, kodok ya. Kataknya itu warna-warni. The bright colors tells hungry predators that the frog is poisonous. The bright color in the frog tell us or maybe some predator if the frog is poisonous atau beracun. Okay. So after your friend Miss Brian read this text, do you know what is the text talking about?
Frog.
Yes,
Frogs.
clear. The text is talking about frog, not suike. Clear. So we have also two bold words here. Atau
Stripes.
dua kata berjarak tebal. The first word we have stripe. This translate into bahasa.
Garis.
Okay, great. Stripes, it means bergaris atau banyak garis ya, bergaris-garis. And the next word we have poisonous.
Beracun.
Okay, great. Poisonous, it means beracun. Okay, please. Okay, now if you're looking at the picture here, there are three frogs here with different color. So if you look, okay, sorry. Now, if you're looking at the picture here, we can see a frog. But if you're looking at the color, don't forget to not touch it because the frog is poisonous.
The brighter the colors, the more poisonous it is.
Yes, students, I cannot hear your voice. Is this my internet connection or your internet connection, students? Okay. Now, the next question. Once again, can you hear my voice clearly, student?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Question number 1. What kind of animal that imitated by a butterfly?
Monarch butterfly.
Okay, great. Monarch butterfly. That is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. What is the reason butterfly camouflage into other butterfly?
Cannot get eaten by other predators.
Okay, 2.
Not get eaten by other predators.
Yes, to not get catch by other predator. Atau dia tidak tertangkap oleh predator. Because the taste from monarch butterfly is bad. And maybe predator can get sick if predator eat the butterfly. That is the reason. Now we're looking at the next question. What animal can camouflage as a leaf?
Leaf mantis.
Okay, leaf mantis. Any other?
Dead leaf mantis.
Yes,
Leaf-tailed gecko.
leaf-tailed gecko.
Stick bug.
Okay, stick bug. Okay, is that animal stick bug? Yes, it is. And the next question, what is the frog color in the text above?
Red,
Yellow, red, and blue.
Yes, there are a lot of color such as red, blue, and yellow. The last question, the bright color on the frog tell us or tell predator if,
poisonous.
okay, great, poisonous. So you cannot catch the frog or eat it. Okay, it's almost the same. So break it down. Practice 3. Now in this page, you need to choose between true and false. True benar, false salah ya. The first sentence, butterfly can resemble leaf.
False.
Is it true or false?
False.
Yes, great, false. Now the next sentence, cheetah have spots.
True.
True. Okay, great. The third sentence, bright colors frog tells predator eat the frog poisonous.
True.
Okay, bright colors frog tells predators eat the frog poisonous. Okay, true. The next sentence, dead leaf mantis can resemble twig.
False.
True or false?
False.
False. Oke, great. Jadi untuk belalang mantis ya, belalang daun yang mati itu tidak bisa menyerupai batang atau ranting pohon. And then last sentence here, green leaf mantis can resemble leaf.
True.
True.
Okay, great. True. The answer is true. So, any question before Mr. Brian end this meeting for today? Okay, so in here, Mr. Brian will give you some info. Actually, copycat's animal based on the book. It means like a mimicry. Anyone knows what is the meaning of mimicry? Oke, jadi mimicry itu adalah suatu, ya benar, binatang yang meniru. Oke, suatu bentuk pertahanan diri dari binatang. Oke, that is the definition from mimicry. So, if there isn't any question here, Mr. Brian will give you more some info. Don't forget to do your homework in Agenda Sekolah. Okay, there are 10 questions there. And also, don't forget to download your PowerPoint or PPT in Agenda Sekolah. And please save it. Okay, because of what? Because the material from our learning today is on our PPT. Oke ya. Dan kalian jangan lupa untuk tes semesterannya kan sudah semakin dekat. Oke. Jadi kita harus semakin belajar ya. Oke. That's all from me. Thank you for coming today. See you later, students.
Thank you, Mr. Brian.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Brian.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Brian.
Thank you, Mr. Brian.
Thank you, Mr. Brian.
Thank you.